I will discuss about linear magnification of a spherical lenses. The linear magnification produced by a spherical lenses means convex or concave is a ratio of the size of the image formed by the lens to the size of the object, both measured perpendicular to the principal axis. It is denoted by m, and that means m equals to height of image by height of object. Here I am first I am going to find magnification of a convex lens. Here I am taking a convex lens. This is the object and two rays coming from O dash point, one ray which is passing through center optical center and another ray which is parallel to principal axis, and after refraction passing through focus of the lens and meet at this two refracted ray meet at I dashed point. So I dashed is the real inverted image of O dashed object. So here C I dashed and COO dashed. In this two triangles, just look at here, these two angles are 90 degree, that means these two angles are equal, and these two angles are opposite angles, so they are also equal. That means from angle rules we can say that these two triangles are similar triangle. That means from this two triangle we can write I dashed equal by OO dashed. I dashed by OO dashed equals to CI by CO, right? Now I dashed equals to height of image which is along this side. If we should assume that direction is positive direction and this one is negative direction. So I dashed equals to minus H dashed. H dashed is the height of image. OO dashed equals to plus H. CI indicate image distance which is plus V, because here we measured the image distance along this side which is the direction of light. Now CO equals to minus U, which is object's distance which is along this side. That's why this is negative. So put all these values in this equation, then minus H dash by H equals to plus V by minus U. Then finally we will get H dashed by H equals to V by U. Now H dashed by H means M, so M equals to V by U. So magnification equals to V by U. Magnification by a concave lens. Here I am taking a concave lens, and just look at here. This is the object and this is the two rays coming from this object, and we know about that convex lens is a diverging lens and concave lens is a converging lens. Convex lens is a converging in nature and concave lens is a diverging in. Just look at here, after refraction rays are diverge, and let's just look at here, after refraction rays are converge at point. So now you can see here that this rays after refraction travel along this side, and this ray passing through C point, that means optical center, that's why it's cannot its original path, and these two refracted rays meet along this side. So I dashed is the virtual erect image of OO dashed. So this is the virtual image. In CI dashed and COO dashed, CI dashed and COO dashed, in these two triangles, just look at here, these two angles are 90 degree and this is the common angle between them. So that means these two triangles are similar triangle. So I dashed by OO dashed equals to CI by CO. Now I dashed is positive, which is a plus H dashed, and I dashed is positive, which is plus H dashed, and OO dashed is also positive, which is H. Here U is also negative and V is also negative, that means minus V by minus U. So now M equals to H dashed by H equals to V by U. Power of lens. The power of a thin lens is equal to the reciprocal of its focal length, which is measured in meter. So P equals to 1 by focal length, which should measure in meter. SI unit is diopter. The power of a lens of focal length 1 meter is called 1 diopter. That means 1 D.